All right, welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive.
Yeah, great to be back.
So today we're looking at something that I think is
Pretty cool.
pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Integrating Python into Excel.
Yeah.
And we found a source that points out this really cool keyboard shortcut
Oh,
that honestly, I didn't even know about this.
yeah.
Control F2.
Control F2, yeah.
That's supposed to just like unlock all of this functionality with Python
Yeah.
in Excel.
It's something that people have been asking for a long time, right?
Yeah.
This kind of integration, and so it's exciting to see it actually happening.
And like, why wouldn't you want to have Python in Excel, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, Excel's great for like basic spreadsheets and stuff, but
Right, but when you
want to get into like, the real nitty-gritty of data analysis, that's where Python really shines.
Yeah, and then you have all these like different libraries that you can use.
Exactly.
I mean, for like data cleaning and visualization, and even like
Predictive modeling, all that.
stuff that you would normally need like separate specialized software for, you can now just do in Excel.
Right, in Excel.
So, okay, explain to me how this works.
Right.
Because Control F2 sounds a little bit like
Magic.
yeah, like almost too good to be true.
Yeah, so let's say you're in a cell in Excel.
Okay.
And you've written some Python code to, I don't know, calculate the average of a column.
Yeah.
You hit Control F2, and it switches into edit mode.
Oh.
And what that means is that you can directly modify the Python code right there in the cell, just like you would in a code editor.
I see.
So you can like tweak calculations or add new lines of code or whatever you need to do.
It's like having a mini Python editor.
Right, exactly.
It'll lamp to Excel.
And then when you want to see what the code does, you hit Control F2 again, and it switches to formula bar mode,
Okay.
which displays the output of your code right there
Wow.
in the cell.
So you can go back and forth
Yeah.
between like editing the code
Editing it, seeing the result.
and seeing the results. Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's really cool.
And this really speaks to this larger trend that we're seeing, right?
Yeah.
Where Python is becoming more and more accessible
Right.
to people who aren't like hardcore programmers.
Like Excel is meeting you halfway.
Exactly. It's like you don't need to know everything about Python to be able to use it effectively.
Yeah. And do like powerful stuff.
Yeah, like imagine you're a financial analyst.
Okay.
You're tracking stock prices.
Yeah.
You could use Python libraries directly in Excel to pull in live data from like financial websites, clean it up, do some analysis.
And you don't even have to leave
All without leaving Excel.
your spreadsheet.
It's really powerful stuff.
Yeah. I mean, this is more than just a cool trick.
Yeah, it's a paradigm shift.
Right. This is like,
Yeah.
it's like a whole new way.
It's like democratizing data analysis.
Yeah.
Yeah, making these powerful tools
Yeah.
available to everyone.
It's really cool. So we've got things like automating complex calculations.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Pulling in data from the web building. Simple machine learning models.
All in a familiar environment. It's
Yeah.
really incredible.
So it's exciting to think about like where all of this is going.
Yeah, where is this heading?
So like what's next?
What's the next Control F2?
And then we also have to think about like,
Right.
what are the ethical considerations?
Oh, that's a good point.
Right.
Yeah.
Like what happens when really complex analyses become super easy to perform?
Yeah.
Even for people who don't really understand like
Your underlying method.
that's going on under the hood.
Yeah, that's a really important question
Yeah.
to consider.
So yeah, so everyone listening out there, Control F2
Check it out.
is your gateway to Python in Excel.
To a whole new world.
And but also think about
Think about the implications.
the implications of this and where it's all going.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Yeah, always a pleasure.
And we'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.